Okay, I'll repeat. Good morning, everyone, once again. See, what you have to do today is we are starting our week with a reading. Fine. There were some activities mentioned. Out of that, I have chosen two for all of you. It is a compulsion for you to do it. It is not a choice, it is a compulsion. In the first activity, that is read a thorn, you have to read a paragraph or a stanza of your choice in a fast way but clearly. Like I'm speaking very slowly but clearly. Similarly, you have to speak fast but clearly. Fine. You will be, yes, you have to do both. Okay, no. You have to recite a poem or read a paragraph, not both. Fine. Any disturbance in between, you will lose the marks. This activity is of 5 marks. And next activity is of 10 marks. I hope everyone knows about preparing the props for your characters and creating a story. Yes, Priyanshi, you have to do both costume party and reading, both. This is not a choice. You have to attempt both of them. Who wants to go first? Anyone? Or should I take your names? All right. Just give me a minute. 6A. Okay. Yes, Lavina, you can start. You have to switch on your cameras while speaking. Ravina, unmute yourself first.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, start.
Only a few passengers brought monthly passes. The railings were broken at the eastern end of the platform, and travelers without tickets always choose this end to avoid the station master. One morning, as soon as an old man got off the 11:45 a.m. Lakshmikantapur local and made for the broken railings. Haru came slithering, slithering and caught hold of his dhoti. The panic-stricken man dropped his bundle of rice and bananas in fright and let out a wild scream. He would probably have fainted on the spot had Vikas Babu not come running to see what the noise was all about.
Very good, Lavina. But it was a little slow. You have to read fast. Fine. I'll give you one more chance because you tried it first after somebody else. Okay, practice one more time.
Ma'am,
You have to read fast. You are reading correctly. It was very clear, but you were reading slowly. It says to find the fastest reader. Like you said, na, the man would have fainted on the spot, right? So the sentence was you read it like the man fainted on the spot. You were reading very slowly. Try to read a little faster. Anyone else who wants to go? And after that, Lavina, I'll come back to you. Okay? All right. Yes, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, one day a hungry lion was moving around the forest searching for a prey. Luckily, he stumbled upon a rabbit soundly sleeping under a tree. The lion happily thought, "Oh, great, today I have found my meal without any effort." Just when the lion was ready to pounce on the rabbit, he saw a deer in the nearby bushes. He greedily thought, "Let me chase the deer. That would be a bigger and nicer meal. I can always come back for the sleeping rabbit." The lion started
Excellent.
to move towards
That's
the
it. That's it. One paragraph, 5-6
Okay,
lines.
ma'am.
Very good, Priyanshi. If everyone have heard Priyanshi, this was the excellent way. Kind like this, you have to read. She was very clear in her words. Everything was very clear and she was too fast. Well done, Priyanshi. All
Thank
right.
you, ma'am.
Yes, Lavina, do you understand now, bache, how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try once more.
It is difficult to say why Haru behaved the way he did, but Vikas Babu just smiled and said, "Really, sir, how much longer are you going to travel without a ticket at your age? You'd better start buying tickets from now on, then you can travel without fear. Haru won't attack you if you have a ticket."
Excellent. Now you have read at a very good speed. Good. Anyone else? Next. See, Lavina has volunteered. Firstly, that's why she got a second chance also. Maybe the rules were not clear, but now I will not give a second chance to anyone. Like Lavina and Priyanshi did, this was excellent way. Yes, Yashpal, go next.
Long ago, there lived a bold and fearless little girl in Bhojla village in Uttar Pradesh. Her parents had died when she was very young and she lived with her relatives. She loved to climb trees and swim in the river. She was also a willing worker and could stand long hours of strain and hardship. The villagers liked her for she was good natured. Once, when a leopard had attacked her, the girl had fought it single-handedly and killed it with nothing more than a sturdy stick. After that, she was nicknamed Jhalkari, meaning the tigress.
Very good, Yashpal. Priyanshi and Yashpal, you are in a competition. You both were very fast. So be ready for the next chances also for getting the fastest one. All right. Yes, Lakshay, go next. Lakshay, your net is breaking. We cannot hear you.
When father said, "Arrow can do a great deal if these people have been stealing fish from the pond all this time. At last, we have been able to taste some fish thanks to Arrow. Arrow loved the pond and his children Santu and Koku love Arrow. Spoke and petted him and fed the tributes from home. After a few days, Arrow came up from the pond never and even called his name. Staying in the pond suited him and put
I guess there was a network issue for Lakshay. We'll get back to him again. Okay, Tanishka, go next.
Ma'am, the British commander was furious that they had been tricked. He knew that if Jhalkari was allowed to go free, she would be dangerous, so she was sentenced to death by hanging. I am not afraid by dying, Jhalkari answered proudly.
Very nice. I guess everyone is the fastest in 6th day. Okay, yes, Shifa, next.
Within a few weeks, Haru became tame and friendly. He did not bear his tea quite so often. He could see that the family was taking care of him. Father bought some nylon string, tied it firmly round Haru's waist, and flung him into the railway pond. Mother was delighted. After all, a crocodile places in the water. The news soon spread all over the village that the Vikas Babu, the station master, had brought an enormous frog from the Sundarbans and no one could steal any fish.
Shifa, you were very fast, but you stopped in between. You were taking breaks, but you were very fast. Good. All right. Nikunj next.
Only a few passengers bought monthly passes. The railings were broken at the eastern end of the platform, and travelers without tickets always choose this end to avoid the station master.
Nice, Nikunj. Is anyone slow reader in for 6A or not? How will I get to the fastest? Everyone is speaking very fast and very clearly. Parinita next.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to read the first paragraph of chapter 1,
Parinita, switch
Little
on
Hope.
your switch on your video first. Yes, now
Okay, ma'am.
read.
Can I start now?
Yes, yes.
It is Christmas time, and the four Mars sisters, Meg, Jill, Beth, and Amy, are in their home and grumbling about giving a Christmas present because of the war. Christmas won't be Christmas without any present, Joe says. But they each have $1, and they decide that rather than buying things for themselves, they will buy presents for their mother. They practice the play they are putting together for Christmas night. Their mother came up with a letter from their father, who has gone to a war as a chaplain, and he is not too fit to fight. Their mother speaks to them about the difficult time they're having. She reminds them of a game they used to play as children called Pilgrim's Progress. Then how would they carry bags for as children? Burdens and crimes from the city of destruction, which was the sealer, to the celestial city or attic, and all the things together before they go to bed.
Excellent. See, I am very confused now between four. I have four names: Priyanshi, Yashpal, Tanishka, Parinita. So they will get a chance again for the competition. Till now we have four and we have done only 7 people. This is going to be very tough for me. Last 6 day. What are you doing to me? Okay, Naman, go next.
Ragnar is a small antique jewelry shop. It has one long counter where the jewelry is shown and sold. Mr. Ragnar, the owner, has the office in the little room behind the shop. The two assistants, Mr. Morris and Mr. Sustained, are the shop getting ready for the day. I also saw ring in the jewelry, necklace, bracelet, etc. and many other jewelry items.
Very good, Naman. You are also very fast. Is there anyone who is slow? Yashpal, that's okay, bache. Today I will not take your competition today. I'm writing down the names. Firstly, I'll give the chance to everyone. Don't worry. Yashpal, if you want to mute and lie down, you can do that. Yes. Lakshya, go next. Lakshya, your voice is breaking again, bache. The voice is again breaking. I am not able to understand anything. Lakshya, switch off your video and try. Maybe that's because of the video. Possible.
Only a few passengers brought monthly passes. The railing was broken at the eastern end of the platform, and traveler without a ticket always choose this end to avoid the station master. One morning, as soon as the old man got off the 11:45 a.m., Lakshmi put local and made for the broken railway. Hello, the crane slithering and caught hold his dhoti. The panic stricken dropped his bundle of rice and banana in the fridge and let out the wild screaming. He would probably will have frightened on the spot, and Vikas Babu not coming running to see what the noise was all about.
Lakshya, whether what happened is you were the fastest, no doubt. No doubt you were the fastest, but you pronounced 2 words wrong. Isn't it, Lakshya? Probably and fainted. Otherwise, no doubt you were the fastest. Let's proceed. Shruti next.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Switch on your video.
Two was diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one far as far I could. Two were it band it under in the undergrowth.
Actually, you were fast, but when you are reciting a poem, it should be in a rhythm. Fast, but rhythmatic. But good attempt. At least you have tried something different from others. Good. Tavishi next.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite next. Or recite or read.
February 19, 2013, the sky was clear and the weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet, a MiG-21 Visent, took off from the Jamnanagar air station in Gujarat. The flight lasted about 30 minutes and then the jet circled back to land safely.
Tavishi, why your voice is echoing? Have you on your class from other device also? Are you using two devices?
No, ma'am.
All right. Good, but you know you were not the fastest. You were fast, not the fastest. Yes, Pushkar, go next.
Yes, ma'am. I
Pushkar,
must go
just a
down.
minute, just a minute. Just a minute. Tavishim, please mute yourself. Okay, Pushkar has muted himself. Just wait. Okay, yes, Pushkar, unmute yourself and go next.
Yes, ma'am. I must go down to the seas again, to the lonely sea and the sky, and all I ask is a tall ship and a star to street her by. And the wheel cakes, and the wind song, and the white sails shaking, and a grew mist on the sea's face, and a grew down breaking.
Very good, Pushkar. A rhythmatic poem and that too fast. Good attempt. Very good attempt. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, Tanishka, I'll tell you. Let me just mark everyone first and then I'll take the competition. Do not worry. I've written down the names for the ones who will be in there for the competition. Alright. Pushkar and Shifa are already done. Jatin, go next. Jatin, your voice is not coming. Okay, Arav, go next. Jatin's voice is not audible. Arav,
I don't have book.
you have newspaper, a storybook, anything? Anjit, Astha, Bhavi, Jhalak. Any one of you can go next. Yes, Jatin. Jatin not audible, bacha. Roshan, go next. Roshan, you are also not audible. Roshan, go next.
supersonic fighter jet MiG-21 Bison took off from the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. The flight lasted about 30 minutes and then the jet circled back to land safely.
Very good, Roshan. That was the fastest. Isn't it, class? So we have one more in the fast. Roshan, very nice. Yes, Anushka, very fast and very clear. Shiva, that's okay, but I'll give it. Don't worry. Let others also have a chance because I'm also side by side marking you. You're getting marks for it. Okay. Arav, Astha, Anjit, but if you're not taking your turns, you're getting a 0. Yes, Nitin, you can go next. Anyone? I have only 4. 14 students have been marked. Others, I'll mark you 0. Please take your turns on your own. Naman, you can go next. Naman has taken the turn. Sorry. Jatin, yes, try now. Jatin, if you are using the leads or headphones, remove them and speak. Your voice is not at all audible to me. Yes, Meg, you can go till then.
Bihu are among the biggest festival of the state. The different views in different seasons are celebrated by the people of all the regions, castes, and tribes. They mark the beginning and the end of the harvesting seasons and the competition of sowing. The Bihu dance is joyous, one performed by both young men and women. It is not for its bricks, steps, and hand movements.
Excellent, Meg. But there was one mistake in the pronunciation. Otherwise, you were good. Excellent, even. Good. Okay, next, Kashish. Yes, Jatin, try again.
February 19, 2018, the sky was clear and the weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet, a MiG-27 Bison, took off to the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. The flight lasted 30 minutes and then the jet circled back land safely.
Excellent, Jatin. Very good. Jatin is one who speaks very softly. And today he was very fast and very accurate. Nice. Other next. Nitesh, Pranjal, Ricky, Sanvi, Sahil, Shweta, Siddharth, Rhythm, Weber, come on. Which I am giving you 0. Yes, Sanvi.
February 19, 2018, the sky was clear and the weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet, a MGI 21 pounds, took from the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. The fighter fly about 30 minutes and the jet circled back to the land safely.
Very good, Sanvi. Good try. Shweta next.
Is there always a happy endings to a story? Some are happy and others weep, and then they are those that finish in glory.
Excellent, Shweta. Next. Arav, Astha, Anjit. Shifa, bache, I told you I'll give a chance, but let me give the chance to those for marking them. This was a test as well. Those who are asking for a chance again, I will give. Don't worry. But right now, let me mark also others. Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, can I read
Yes.
From notebook.
Yes, 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 Arav, anything you can read, anything. Read Arav. Kashish, Anjit, Astha.
Back then, its own mother had gifted her Joe has the storybook she has wanted and he had when
Okay. Arav, I have listened. Very good. Anjit, Astha. Others. Ricky, Siddharth, Ridham, Nitin, Navya. Yes, Ricky.
On February 19, 2018, the sky was clear and the weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet MiG-21 took off from the Jamnanagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. The flight lasted about 30 minutes and then the jet circled back to land safely. The sortie was like any other that is carried out every day as part of routine training, except from one thing. This was the first solo fight by Flying Officer Avani Chaturvedi. At 24 years, she became the first Indian woman to fly a solo sortie on the fighter aircraft. Avani Chaturvedi,
Okay, Ricky.
Bhavanakant,
Okay,
and
okay,
more.
okay.
Singh.
All right. You were very monotonous, but good. Okay, yes, Siddharth.
I'm also around to see with it lonely season sky and all I ask you to ship and start to fit her by and the wheels kick and the wind from the white sail sinking and away Mr. the sea and break down drifting.
Very good. Next. Still many of you. Shaurya, Sahil, Ritvik, Ridham, Pranjal, Nitin, Nitesh, Navya, Kashish, Jhalak, Anjit. Bache, you take your turns. I have spoken your name also. I'm giving you 0. It's up to you. Yes, Sahil.
Within a few weeks, Saru became tame and friendly. He did not bear his teeth quite often. He could see that the family was taking care of him. Father bought some nylon string, tied it firmly round Haru's waist, and flung him into the railway pond. Mother was delighted after all crocodiles placed in the water.
All right, Sahil. Very good. You were not a little clear, but very fast. Others, if it is a network issue, I can take it into consideration. There might be a network issue that you're not able to unmute yourself or mute yours or speak. By today's evening, those who have not spoken can send me their audios. But if your audios also have not reached me by today, I will mark you 0. I'm telling you, I will mark you 0 if I do not get your audios by today's evening. You just have to read 2 or 3 lines. And for your costume party, be ready on Monday. But before Monday, you can send me your props as well as your story. I will mark you on basis of that also. See, everyone has to send me the props and the story on my WhatsApp. On Monday, we will have the presentation in the class. Okay? Because the time limit is 40 minutes. and there might be some network issues from my end or your end. So everyone has to send me the costume party written part. That what is your character chosen from the story, the character that you have made, and how you joined them and made a new story out of it. Any doubt, 60? Yes, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, can I read again?
Priyanshi, I'll give the chance. Wait, don't worry about it. Your name is already I have written for reading again. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pushkar.
मैम कॉस्ट्यूम पार्टी में मैम कोई सा भी सुपर हीरो का कॉस्ट्यूम भी चूज कर सकते हैं.
यस पुष्कर, वन जो आपने पढ़ रखे हो, चाहे वो सुपर हीरो हो, बारबी, anyone, any of your favorite
Okay.
character, and one you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to imagine yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम
Yes, Arif.
मैम 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 हम ऑडियो भेज सकते हैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे?
Yes, Arif, you can do that also again.
ओके मैम. मैम कोई से भी चैप्टर की एक लाइन पढ़ के ऑडियो भेजनी है?
Yes, Arif, and try to speak in English. This is not a Hindi class. Lakshay, after we have finished with the activities. Yes, Yashpan, that is also okay. You can send me that. And Lakshay, see, on 14 and 15, we have a speaking skills also, right? And on 16, you have your listening skills test. So probably this competition will be held on 21st September. After our activities are over, sorry, after our this tests are over. Yes, Mehak, I have. Then you'll get a chance for this competition again. Fine, then the competition will be held. Right now, we have just done the activity. No, Navya, you can send me your audio on my WhatsApp. No, Lakshay, you do not have to send the recording again. I have marked you. Jatin, you will get the date sheet very soon. Don't worry about that. And I have selected Lakshay, Roshan, Priyanshi, Yashpal, Tanishka, Parinita, Naman, and Mehak for the competition. That most probably will happen on 21st or 22nd, around that time only. Okay, Anjit has sent me the audio. I will listen after the class, so he will be marked. Asta, Bhavi are left. Daksh has a network issue. He was trying. Dipanshu also. All right. Yes, Yashpal, that's up to you. That is your creativity, whatever you want to do it. But just be sure it includes marks. So be creative. Kashish, the syllabus of half yearly is every grammar topic that we have done till now and first 5 chapters of literature plus 2 poems. Yes, Lakshya, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, we have to send the character name and the script of the character also.
No, see, character name, yes. And what special is in your character? For example, if let's say Harry Potter. So Harry Potter has magical powers. In one line, you can just describe your character so that I know what is special about him or her. Okay, Arav, not an issue.
Ma'am, that we have to speak in the class also a script.
Yes, yes, I will give chance to few, not all. A few of them, like we have 40 minutes and I'll give 5 minutes to each. 2 or 3 minutes to each. Okay, on 14th. Then I'll take your speaking skills, and on 21 onwards, everyone will get a chance to present their work. But before 14, you all have to send the written part on my WhatsApp so that I can mark you on the basis of that.
Now we have to send the photo of crop also.
Yes, prop as well as your story. Yes, Anjit, I have
Excuse
seen,
me,
I
ma'am.
just told you, Priyanshi, just a minute. I've just told you that you will be marked once I'll listen to the audio. Yes, Priyanshi?
Ma'am, can we send the audio of the story?
Yes. No, written part. This is not audio. Written part.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, class. A very good participation. Others, I'm giving a chance for WhatsApp also. Any other doubt, you can WhatsApp me since the time is over. Have a great day and be prepared for your speaking and listening skills as well. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.